Okay, after adding the folder, then just type img space src equals pictures, because I put in a pictures folder, and then com.jpg, and then I'm going to close this. Now you can see in the right side it's showing the image, but only showing the image, it's very big. But no, also I can resize this, and also I can give a alternate name. Why this alternate name is given means, when the picture, when the thing can't load the picture, it it will show the name, what the picture name. See here inside this, I'm going to erase this, and then going space alt equals, no, you can mention the name. I am going to mention it as headphone headphone headphone. Okay, and then closing this. Okay. Also you can define its size. See, clicking enter, then what height and what width you need, just type it. Where width I'm going to give, width equals how much shall I give? I'm going to give 120. Okay, and height I'm going to give 120. Okay, and then I'm closing this. See, width and height 120, it will be like this. I'm going to zoom this thing out. Okay, see, and then I'm going to close this thing. Okay, and then if you are going to resize it, means you can just type whatever values you want. Okay, I'm just going to change it to my default monitor size, that is 1280, and closing this, and this one 720, I think 720. See, ta-da! See, this, like this you can change the size of the image. If the image, if it can't load the image, it will show like this. I'm just going to the web page folder, then pictures I'm going to click, and just I'm going to delete this and closing this, and just coming back to this. Okay, and if I try to reload this, see here it's showing headphone, because the alternate name is headphone. You can change whatever you know. I am not there. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Like, comment, subscribe.